Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our business building roadshows, and today we are giving context and background to the transformation of knowledge worker services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and subscribe so that we can help you with your business transformation. It's all about you. It's about helping you through a period of rapid change so that you can help yourselves. It's about capacity and capability building so that you can manage the uncertainty from rapid changes in technology. And it's about crafting and shaping the society that you want and deserve. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.